Hi, Siva here, founder and CEO of Lyzr. Welcome to the Lyzr Agent Studio. So, in this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to build an AI agent in less than 60 seconds. So, once you log into the studio, this is the homepage. You can see all the community agents available. You can also access the documentation, the API documentation, or join a Discord community. So, to get started, head to the agent builder and click on Create New. Now, you're looking at one single place where you can build the agent and test the agent and even launch the agent as an app. So to get started, let's build the agent. So for this demo, I'm going to build a grammar corrector agent because being a non-native English speaker, grammar has always been very difficult for me, especially when I write a lot of lines together, like a paragraph or an email. So I always use Grammarly or ChatGPT to correct it. Now, what if I build an agent which makes it even more easier? So that's the whole idea here. So I'm going to give an agent description. Okay, this helps non-English speakers to correct their email or content for grammar. I can select the model. By default, you get OpenAI at this point in time. I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini because it's just correcting grammar. You don't need reasoning, so I'm going with the cheaper model available. And now we are getting into the agent building aspect. So I'm going to give a simple one. You are, say, grammar, sorry, character agent and instructions. Analyze the user, say, input, identify, say, grammatical errors, and correct the mistakes. That's it, nothing else. Now, we have this improve prompt feature, which is actually built on a research paper that was published earlier this year by a set of Stanford professors. And we have incorporated that natively, which actually improves your base prompts that you write and converts that into a production grade prompt. What you see here is I mean, whatever prompt I wrote is now improved. You are an expert grammar corrector, and your task is carefully analyze the user inputs. If you see whatever one or two line prompt I wrote is now improved, and this is bound to perform a lot better. Now you can also add tools if you want, like email, for example, like Gmail. You can integrate so that you can the agent can immediate post directly to your Gmail. I'm not going to use any tool at this point in time in this demo. You can also give examples for the agent to know how you write your sentences. Because it's a grammar corrector agent, I'm not going to use that as well. You can also select a bunch of core features that are available, like knowledge base and short-term memory, etc., which are good for chatbots. You don't need it for the grammar agent. You have responsible AI and safe AI modules available natively, which is an USP that Lyzr brings to the table because we are the only agent framework to have these modules built in. Again, for an agent like this, you don't need it. So I'm going to skip all of this and I'm going to click on create. Now the agent is created and you can test it. For example, how do I say got started, right? So this is obviously wrong. And if you see, it is able to correct almost instantly. Latency is 1 second. Fantastic. Now, as a developer, you can access the agent API, and via the API, you can integrate the agent natively into your existing software or build a multi-agent system. And if you are a business user, you don't want anything to do with API, no problem. Launch as an app, so you can launch instantly. I'm going to launch it. Grammar corrector agent, its productivity. I'm going to give the same description and then visibility. It could be private, which could be within your organization or just for your own use, or you could make it public and click on launch app. The app is launched, view app, back to home. I think it's in the marketplace. Yeah, sorry. So this is the grammar corrector agent that we just built, and you can see the agent is available as an app instantly. And again, the same question. Okay, how do I getting started? Some typos are also there, but it corrected. Now you can do the same for emails and blog posts and even larger content. So this is as simple as that. Now you can go back and you can see all the other agents available in the marketplace and you can also try them. Now, in my scenario, I have a bunch of these Copilot apps that Copilot agents that help me on my daily basis. It saves me easily 2 to 3 hours of my time, and that's something that you could expect with the agents as well that you could launch instantly. So that's the demo. So what are you waiting for? Visit studio.lyzr.ai and start building AI agents and give us active feedback. We are super happy to listen to feedback and improve the features that you want on the platform.